Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, Task Manager has been disabled by your administrator fix in Windows 11, 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows, click and expand current version, click and expand policies, click and expand system. Open Disable Task MGR, change value data to 1. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.